The whole of grammar translation method in brief you can understand in this way. We have grammar translation method, and we have the 5 major branches: principles of grammar translation method, techniques, teaching learning process, emphasis on language areas, role of teachers. Now talk about principles, major points under principles. Under the principles we always read and appreciate foreign literature, we always try to translate, and we always try to develop reading writing a skill, and we learn from the target language. Then techniques, memorization is the technique to progress in grammar translation method. Then fill in the blanks, type of questions we give to the students. Translation of a literary passage, when somebody can translate well, we think that a student is good at learning a language. Deductive application of rules, that is to say, examples come next after definition. Then we have under teaching learning process, we have focus on translating everything. Look for native language equivalents. We try to search for the equivalent of the same word in the native language. Then we learn grammatical rules first, definitions come first, and examples follow next. Emphasis on language areas, we have more focus upon vocabulary, then we concentrate more on grammar. Of course, reading is the primary task, and then we follow writing. We don't have listening, we don't have speaking in grammar translation. Then role of teachers, when we evaluate the role of teachers, what we come to know is that teachers control all activities in the classroom. Teachers don't allow freedom of any sort to the students. Students only look for how to answer questions and how to write answers correctly, and then students have passive participation in the classroom because teachers take the center in the class. I think that's all. We have the references: Sweet Henry, The Practical Study of Languages, London, Oxford University Press. Palmer Harold E., Principles of Language Study, Oxford University Press, 1964. Rivers Vilga, M., Teaching Foreign Language Skills, the University of Chicago Press, London. We have questions. Question number 1, write in detail about grammar translation method. Question number 2, write true or false against each statement. Number 1, grammar translation method does not encourage grammatical rules. False. 2, no attention is paid to speaking or listening. True. Third, teachers do not encourage creativity. True. 4, students have a lot of freedom to learn. False. 5, words are taught through bilingual word lists. True. That's all we have. Thank you. Goodbye.